Hello. I choose joy every single time. If there's a decision between sadness and happiness, happiness wins out, y'all, every single time. What are we doing today? Today, we are going to can peppers. I found these peppers at Kroger. I don't know what grocery store you might go to, but Kroger has these peppers on sale for 99 cents each. That's incredible. You rarely find red peppers on sale for 99 cents. So, of course, I got a bunch of them. And guess what? These are green peppers that came out of my garden. I am going to roast these as well, and we are going to can them in half-pint jars. Got my water right here. It's about to boil. Got my baby over here, my T-Fal. I could do it in my emerald, but I'm sterilizing my jar, so why not go ahead and use that? I'm gonna dry off my peppers because I washed them and get them dried, put them on a sheet pan, get them all nice oiled up. I am using the method of grilling them to get them charred because I have a lot of peppers. I have a lot of jalapeno peppers that I am going to can as well. So we will be canning bell peppers, jalapeno peppers. We're gonna roast them all on the grill. Come on. Okay, it's time to unwrap the goodness and peel the skins. And I'm going to set one aside so that I can make my homemade pimento cheese. Peppers are roasted. We're just going to layer them into our hot jars. I'm just pulling them apart with my hands because they're so nice and soft. I got some red pepper, some green pepper, and some jalapeno. We'll be back when we're all done.